Hi guys!
Hi guys, welcome back to the Distracted Podcast.
I'm Dea Farah.
I'm Syarfa.
And today we have a very special guest with us, our very first guest. He is my nephew. Let's welcome
Irfan.
Hello.
Okay. Introduce yourself, your age, what you're doing right now.
Yeah, so I'm Irfan. I'm 22 this year.
Just pretend the camera is
Okay, yeah.
I'm Irfan. I'm 22 this year.
Yeah.
Currently just doing a job here and there lah.
Okay. Straight up, how's life? How are you right now?
Straight up. Coping lah. It's quite different from some things, but mostly okay lah.
That's a very big answer. Okay. Yeah, you're not finding a full-time job yet?
Not at the moment.
Done with NS?
Still waiting.
22 and still waiting for NS. Okay lah, slowly lah. Okay, so straight up lah. Okay, if some of you guys may not know, I've been an auntie since I was primary 2.
Old auntie.
Yeah, so basically I think we can relate in some. Yeah, ni terjun terus senang kan? Basically we can relate in the sense of because we have divorced parents, both of us. Okay, so I mentioned before I have divorced parents in previous episodes. So for now, right, I want to know your take lah on how's life with divorced parents since you were young sampai sekarang. Or you can talk Malay also if you want.
Life with different parents.
At what age? Sorry.
Yeah.
I can't recall, but I was very, very young.
Very young, yeah.
You understand things already?
No, I didn't. And since young, I've been, let's say like ping pong like that. One stays in the west, another stays in the east. So imagine late in the morning to wake up for school, I have to like travel. So it became a system in my life where keep ping pong, and very, very hard to understand because I was like wondering why my parents aren't together. Then
Sorry, you were schooling at?
I was schooling at Aljunied.
Yes. Tinggal dekat Sims Drive kan?
Yeah, same drive. My dad staying same drive.
Oh, then your mom that time?
My mom's staying at Jurong West.
Okay.
So I wake up to school when I'm staying with my mom at about 5. So I have to take the train, the early train. Sometimes I sleep, I wake up, I thought like I overshot, but no, still a long way to go.
Okay.
And I thought to fire and issue is quite far already. Tired about. Yeah. So how do you deal with that on a daily basis?
Honestly, I don't know. I just went through my life day to day lah, honestly.
Just go with the flow.
Yeah. It was hard, but I managed to lah.
At what point does it become so difficult to handle?
When I see my friends' parents together lah, fetching them from school. Because usually my dad is the one who fetches me. My mom, because she's too far, unless like I do some disciplinary case in school, and she will come lah. And that usually is my dad only. Then I see sometimes my friends' parents, grandmother, grandfather all come. I say, wow, my family don't fetch me from school lah.
This is primary school.
Primary school.
How is it like? Do you like macam kat sekolah last time you celebrate a lot Mother's Day, Father's Day? Like will the parents come? Is there any celebration?
I don't remember. It's like too long ago.
Got such thing What in school? Parents came for celebrating.
The only thing I remember they coming from is for the
Meet parents.
Yes,
Yeah.
parents.
Both of them came, is it? Or just one?
Usually just my either one of the party will come lah.
So for your friends macam more like both of them will come.
Yeah.
How do you feel? Do you feel sad or macam frustrated ke? Macam apa pasal mak papa aku dulu tak kena tahan like that?
Jealous.
Jealous lah.
Jealousy was there, but mostly like don't understand the part. Because from young, I asked my parents, I asked my mom. I didn't ask my dad. Like, why are you guys together? Then he says it's too complex for me to understand how at that age.
How were your friends? What's your relationship like with your friends during primary school?
Primary school was the best time of my life.
Wow, really?
Oh,
Yes,
is it? Okay.
really. But there were ups and downs lah. Because I always play through and then never
Okay, never mind.
like we skip school or we skip class. But mostly after school lah. Go home late.
Nepal.
And I used to play soccer a lot when I was younger.
Yeah.
So we tend to go see soccer, eating. And sometimes when we play, it's too hard until we kick the ball, hit someone's head, and the person dendam us.
What? Dendam?
Yeah, the person dendam us. Like every time we play there, you come, you will like act like one, take video.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, then
Macam Nonya ke?
no. It was a guy because I think his wife or something. The ball hit his wife or something when they were. I wasn't there because after that we stopped playing over there already.
Okay.
So we play there on rare instances. Then, but whenever we have, I don't know, suddenly this dude just appear like.
Kita macam Karen lah, tapi
Like a Karen, sir.
So kena tengok daripada jauh lah.
So later when he comes out, we have to siam.
But it's not it's not his place what.
No, because actually they cannot play soccer. It's like multi-purpose hall. There's a sign there. But you know, being young and then.
Yeah, understand.
So the best memories that time macam main soccer and hang out with friends lah.
Yeah, that's mostly that because I think that is my best period time. Like problem free, wanting to grow up actually.
And that time macam cannot wait to grow up.
Yeah,
Right?
but now I want to go down.
Same. Okay, at that point of time you were the only child, right? Farah, kan?
No, I had one younger brother.
Before the younger sibling came, how was it living alone as an only child? We cannot relate, so I want to know. Yeah.
Pressuring also lah, because like we're the first kid, so our parents are inexperienced, so we are the test run. Test run. So it's good and bad lah. Like we get all the attention and all when we were younger, but then as I'm growing out, it's kind of pressuring, especially when we got siblings.
Okay, talking about siblings, right? After you have siblings, sampai sekarang like how is it being the eldest?
Oh, it sucks.
Okay, tell us, elaborate why.
Only son or what is this?
Between my parents, I'm the only one.
And my sister has now 3 other child.
Good boy.
All boys.
All boys.
All boys.
Wow.
Yeah, okay, so how is it like being from the only child to the eldest child with 3 younger siblings? How is it now?
Wow. That's a bit.
Just honest. Yeah.
It sucks because everything I do reflects back on me and my siblings.
Yeah.
And I have to set up a good role model for them. Then it's very pressuring at times.
Do you get blamed for anything you've never done or your brothers did? Just because you have to be the role model?
I don't know. Or maybe my dad's side. Like I would get blamed because maybe my younger siblings, my cousins from other side, like they look at me, then whatever they did, then it's like it becomes for me lah. Because so-called I'm doing this lifestyle or whatever, then
people follow.
Yeah, they say they're following me lah.
Are you the oldest on your dad's side also?
Yeah.
Oh.
So imagine.
Pressure. Pressure.
Not only on the mom side, but also the dad side.
Yeah.
Wah.
So growing up also is quite hard because I didn't have anybody to lean on.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I didn't have anyone to talk to. The closest was you lah.
So at that point of time, like, do you had a role model?
Not
Growing
really, sir. That's why I turned to peers, friends.
Yeah. Okay, so do you like being the eldest?
Yes and no.
Okay, tell us about the pros and the cons.
Pros is that I can do whatever I want. Like I choose to work or school or whatever. Like whatever they don't really give a say, but they will.
Dia siapa?
Parents are.
What you mean they don't say anything?
Because I guess they want me to learn my own mistakes for my own mistakes
okay.
lah.
So macam their focus is more on your younger siblings kan macam mana?
Probably more my own siblings lah. Like me, I try to be as independent as possible lah. Like don't bother them with financially lah. Financially, usually I'm supporting myself.
Yeah.
That's what I like actually. I don't have to depend on people who can just work. And when I work, I can buy my own things.
Betul lah, yeah.
Kira self-love lah.
I feel called out.
Yeah.
all the adult money going to nowhere, you know.
Then macam, okay, what was the cons?
Cons.
Yeah. Cakap je, kat sini kita raw.
So the cons actually. What was the question? Forget that.
Distracted, tak apa dia. Distracted podcast. On brand. The cons of being the eldest.
Oh. Maybe you talk. Cons is
Getting blamed lah.
getting blamed on things that I do that reflects back on my siblings or me. Probably not getting the attention I want from my parents anymore lah. Because the focus is on the younger ones one. So like they expect me to be the oldest. So don't really feel love already. Like, macam kena buang lah.
You know, deep set.
At times I do feel like that lah.
How far apart are you and your next siblings?
The closest one to me is Sec 2.
14 kan?
14.
You are 22, right? 22 minus 14? 8.
I'm Malay.
Yeah, 8 years. The next one is 1
younger.
9 years.
Yes, jauh tau.
Then the youngest now is only 3 lah kan this year. The baby. Yeah, so okay, have your siblings, the younger siblings, have they ever like, asal abang macam ini ah?
Asking who?
Surprisingly, they never question. But they just say lah, like, just avoid doing things that I do, whatever.
What do you do? Apa yang dia suruh buat?
They say lah that time that one of my siblings said after this no more fighting.
Sayang juga tau.
Yeah, it touched me a bit lah. Because growing up, actually we weren't really close lah.
Yeah.
Honestly, because like they don't look up to me, they look up to my parents. So very very far apart. But then when things like this happen, they say this, I feel touched lah. I thought like, because boys, we don't let out feelings, we keep it. Yeah.
As the oldest brother, are you expected to help with taking care of your brothers, the younger brothers?
Yeah, when I was younger.
When you were younger, you already been taking care of your younger brothers.
Yeah.
So, can I say that you are forced to grow up fast earlier?
Technically, yeah.
So it's like macam he don't have his freedom to go at his rate. Yeah. So then tak ada nak
I can see that.
Okay. Macam he has to jaga dari dulu, right? Because have to help the mom. Because ni dah paling tinggi. Oh, dia macam certain spot. Oh, you know kan? Okay, yeah. Because I can see also because my sister at that point of time pun pernah jadi like a widow lah in gender. So macam she would need all the help that she required. Yeah. Aku masih tengah terus cerita cari that spot. Okay. So,
Widow.
yeah. So, he has to help a lot lah in that sense. Macam takkan nak jaga dia and all. So, macam, do you feel your freedom affected that time?
Really. But I didn't, at the point of time, I didn't understand lah. Like, when I was younger, I thought my siblings were a burden. When I was younger lah.
What? Sorry?
I felt that they were a burden.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I didn't understand that, we have to share love with our parents.
Yeah.
I was like, because when they come also, it was like very fast. So I'm so used to having all the attention from the whole family, be it my mom, be it my dad's side. And then suddenly, like, boom, got one cousin. Suddenly all love is to him. Okay, but it's still there. Then slowly another one. And I'm like, am I not needed anymore?
So you felt like everything was taken away from you?
Technically, when I was younger, that was the feeling I had.
Mature lagi lah fikir macam itu, yeah. Then, can I ask about the prison you call? Okay. So, when did you masuk? Jangan aku distracted ni dengan mic ni. Asal dia?
Sini ya.
What? Gini?
Ya.
Macam lain.
So you can edit. Nanti dia edit.
Okay. Bila kau masuk?
So first time I went in was 2019. That was for a month.
For a month?
For a month.
Okay.
2019, how what's your age?
17.
Oh, juvenile ke?
No. I went to the men's prison, Changi prison. Remand lah. Then I was remanded for about a month. Then I went out on bail. Then I reoffended. There were some complications that I reoffended. Then I went in back during 2019 October.
Okay. That one is another thing, huh?
The rest, all the way I was inside lah. From 2019 October till 2021 December. Like
2019.
2019.
Sampai?
21
2 years.
December.
Okay.
Roughly there.
Okay. That's what?
I'm doing the max in my head, I can't.
2021.
Huh?
2021.
21 December.
Okay.
2019 to 2021.
Okay. About a year plus.
About there. Felt longer, sir.
Of course lah, you inside you felt longer.
I went in and out.
Aku lah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So the first one is 2019 all the way till 2021 December. Then I went out this December. I stayed out for about a year on tagging. On tagging. Then I was supposed to drop tag in 2 months' time, but then at the point of time I had too many things going on, like fights with parents. Then at the point I was seeing someone, so I was fighting with her. Then my close cousin also was having a shaky relationship, and that was the last straw lah. So I went turn to nightlife lah.
Oh yeah.
So I went out every night.
That 2 months, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
During that period where I also got to open my tag lah. So I keep reaching my timings lah. So when I breach, then the last one, I went down for reporting, then they just record me lah. So I had to go in back for about 4 months.
Yeah.
So reflection, so-called like reflection and all. I went out again for about 3 months. I went back in.
Are you still here?
I'm trying to do the...
Slowly.
Yeah.
Later can draw timeline. Okay. Then I went in back for 6 months. Then that's it lah. I went out. I just came out last month, January. Then totally free lah. I'm done with the system lah. Because the sentence is 1 year, but The total of it is 4 years. It accumulates up to 4 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I can get it recalled a lot of times. Yeah.
But for now, you're done.
Yeah, I'm like totally done.
Kan?
Kaki pun dah ringan.
Macam berat taking to that time,
Selalu berat saya sebelah kaki nak main bola ke apa.
So, cara gym kan?
Okay, what's the hardest part inside?
No dignity.
No, what?
Dignity.
Oh, what do you mean?
Like we are due for strip search anytime they feel like it. Our cells.
Everyone.
Everyone lah.
Kita macam berdiri lah gitu.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's like the hardest part for me, because I'm a very shy person.
Yeah.
So the first time I had to do that, I was like,
kalau aku nangis je nak
Sabar, apa ni? Strip
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 lah.
search, like separation.
together.
Yeah, together.
Like
All guys lah.
all the cells or macam satu-satu
This
cell?
one is my first one is at the court.
Okay.
So my bail was revoked, and I went down to the lockup. So they said I had to go to remand.
Okay.
So I was like, okay lah, go with my own clothes, maybe change somewhere. But no, then it's like literally there, the corridor there, downstairs.
Kita suruh tukar baju.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I was like opening my shirt, I was like seeing this guy that whoosh.
Dia tengok kita ni.
Everybody looking.
Okay.
Checking each other out.
I was like,
Dan
oh,
seorang yang kena tukar ada orang.
like everybody changed lah. Then the rest I think was seasoned
Oh,
old
okay,
timers
faham.
lah. So they just sweep down. I'm like, oh my god.
Okay, so the first man. Okay, Irfan strip. What was going through your
Yeah.
mind that
I was like,
time?
damn. Don't I get a room or something?
No, but you see the rest of them are already naked.
Yeah. And then I'm like only halfway there. I'm like,
Macam ya betul kan?
like the opening shirt is normal. So I just took out my shirt and I was like, oh, hey, like full on strip ah.
Kan?
And he say, take out your clothes. And I'm like, yeah.
And
Oh my god.
That was actually the hardest part lah. Because, like I say, I'm a very shy person.
Wait, do they do that to female also?
I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure the system is like that lah.
no, dah first.
But that one, the female side is much more control lah. Like usually I heard it's only the female officers there lah. So there are no guy officers there.
Still malu sih.
Yeah, that's why I say is my dignity. I feel like it's been stripped out. My human rights.
I think it's only the first day.
Just time again, yeah.
So I'm like, wow, this is my first day. So how is going the rest of the time gonna be?
Oh, tu lah. Okay, then.
But eventually, I got used to it lah. Like I feel like as though if you act more shy, then they are winning.
Ya, betul lah,
Like
betul lah.
just they want to see so much, then they strip lah.
Okay.
To the end, that was my mindset.
Yeah.
Like, okay, you want me to strip? Okay, nah, take look lah.
I'm sorry if I cannot control my facial expression.
So yeah, closer to the end, that was how it was like for me lah. Because I felt like I see just now, like you just
Okay,
play with the system lah. That's why they want you, then just do it lah. Because no point you fight over the system. You can't win.
Yeah. I mean, dah tak boleh nak lawan, then go with it lah.
yeah.
Aku masih tak ada brain tu.
Apa?
That thing.
Okay, how about like, do you feel lonely or anything?
Yeah, I feel lonely. Then the only time I get like, because I love talking to people. I really love talking to people.
How can you be shy and love talking to people?
No, I'm shy with my body lah.
Oh.
That's a body lah.
Okay.
But I mean, there's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. It's just I'm just shy.
Yeah,
Just-
tunjuk orang.
yeah. But now I'm not.
Not we boy. Again, strict search one.
So you continue. Aduh.
Yeah. Where was I?
Do you feel lonely?
Oh yeah. So I love talk to people. So, but inside there's a lingo lah. You have to you have to watch the way you walk, the way you talk. Everything matters. Apparently, because
Matters
it's
to
like-
the other people or to the...
to the other people lah.
Not to
Because
the people, I mean not to the officers there, but to the people inside.
yeah, it's like the culture there lah. You have to take care of everything. The way you speak, the way you talk, the way you walk. Everything.
Oh, tak boleh
Hierarki
sat-sat
ke?
kat dalam.
Ha?
Tak boleh sat-sat lah kat dalam.
Kena sasat lah.
Oh, kena
Kena
sat-sat.
sat-sat.
But I don't know how to say lah, but it's just how it is lah.
Ya, faham.
Yeah.
Sat-sat by the way is to step fierce or something like that. If you don't understand. Yeah.
It's a Malay lingo lah.
Yeah. So we have to live like this inside. Like we have to think about how people perceive of us. That's the most effed up thing lah. Like you have to think what you want to say and all. Then it's very stressful lah. Very, very depressing lah actually.
So it's always you. Everything you do, you have to think twice.
Yes.
How you walk also you have to think twice.
Yes.
Itulah macam what worry about people looking at you.
Yeah,
Oh,
inside,
you can say-
inside the politics is really, very bad. I can say, like, even the politics outside cannot win.
Betul.
Wait, is it between the bunkmates or the
The community lah.
tak dia kena dengan officer kan?
Officer also sometimes part of it, you know.
Oh.
Like, they add cucuk.
Oh, cucuk. Cucuk is like provoke.
Yeah. And like some of them also like very like also into politics with us, because there's like, you know, gangs and
Yeah.
so yeah, we have to they are part of the system also lah.
So they just enjoy.
This like their life, they, to me, I mean, they are finding money for family and all.
Diorang tak
To me,
kerja.
they're very lifeless. Some of them very lifeless. Like they come to work, they act like a big F. Yeah, so like they like a superstar lah, because like they see us, then they
Because they have the pangkat one.
pangkat or whatever lah. Yeah.
Do they look down?
Some yes, but they don't show it lah. You can see in their eyes, the face, the way we talk to them. So I love it. I love to talk with this type of officers because I show them that we are, doesn't mean we are inmates. We are stupid lah. We are dumb.
Yeah.
So some of them cannot take it when with logic. Like we give them logic, they cannot take it because they know they got power. So when we give them logic, they cannot.
Ego lah kira.
They're very ego. So they find other things to fight with us. I've got officers telling me that officers don't like me because I give them logic talks.
Alah. Kira macam you are
tak boleh diajar.
Kau tak ada hak nak cakap Anda benda semua dengan
Don't have a right to advise me.
So it's very
tak apa kira.
very depressing.
So but they don't basically looking down on people lah. I mean, if they don't give him human rights to even talk.
Yeah. Dalam satu sel ada berapa orang?
Depends on the space lah. Like the one I was at can fit up to 8 people, but they usually put 6. 6 is just nice.
What is this cell? Is as big as this room?
Yeah, the one that I stayed was about here lah. So the toilet is there. And
So berak kencing semua thing.
yeah, that's another thing.
Oh ya.
So there's this wall called a modesty wall.
What modesty?
Modesty wall, but the not so modesty lah. The wall is like only
Half
Sampai pinggangnya.
tak sampai pun.
So
Tak
tak
sampai.
apa.
Untuk pun.
Nampak?
Sampai.
Nampak segalanya.
Tapi nak pakai apa tu kaki
So
je.
we use there's this a straw mat like a tika lah. So we tie it together, then we hang it.
Buat
So
langsing.
let's say this is a toilet, so we hang it from there and there.
Diorang kasih lah buat itu.
They don't let lah. When they conduct cell search, they will take out the things. But we say lah, this thing is because sometimes there are female officers. So when they open the door, we can't be showing our tongue.
Oh ya. Betul lah.
Yeah, so it's inappropriate, right? But that's why we had that thing. Because that wall is very short. Like the Riemann one is taller, but the place that I went, it was only like here. Can't even cover mine.
Yelah, tak sampai bontot pun lah.
Tak sampai.
Cover apa lutut?
Cover betul je.
Padahal aurat lutut ke atas tau.
Yeah, okay, so it's exactly like this layout. So the toilet, I go in here, right? So like people sitting there can see me taking a shit.
Wait, there's ball ke ada aku?
It's on the floor. And, so we have to sort it out.
Bro.
So I told you I never touch toilet bowls.
Oh,
Because
dia
it's
lah
like
order sempurna lah. Order yang
Never seen, no spray. So
Hijab.
so the water we drink from is the water we shower from.
Oh, dia shower sekali dalam sel tu. Selalu tengok movie macam dia jalan sama-sama pergi toilet.
Tu kau tengok movie apa?
That's in the US lah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Korea pun gitu.
But
Singapore is like that.
dalam sel.
Everything is inside the cell lah.
With just that one wall.
With just that one wall. So imagine when we have to do our lonely business.
Lonely business. Oh, TCL cakap PCC. Okay. PCC lah. If you know, you know lah. If you don't know, you don't know.
Yeah, so
easy.
Oh, it's just
sometimes have to do it discreetly lah. So, but other times like, we are like close inside the cell, right? The point sekali nak pergi.
oh begitu je.
Korang jangan kacau.
Dan semua tengok sana ke macam mana?
So like, they all do their own business lah. Like they don't.
Ada schedule okay, hari tu dari aku.
Pernah tak buat together?
No. This is a code that we don't do lah.
Hey, buat together dah weird tau.
It's effing weird.
Why not?
Cannot work it, sir.
Line up.
Tak boleh. Dia benda salah.
Okay.
In the Malay, in the prison lingo, fall out.
Follow tu apa?
Keluar baris. For the gangs and things lah.
Macam dah tersingit lah gitu.
Salah, tak boleh tu fall out.
Okay, tuan. Bodoh lah. Tak aku tak boleh imagine tu.
Jangan imagine. Jangan. Tak payah.
Okay, faham. Interesting aku tak pernah dengar benda ni.
You should watch this documentary.
There's a
Singapore
documentary.
near prison. So if he tell me the room and all, I can roughly
Tapi
imagine.
dia tak berbual pasal PCC.
Yeah, that room you saw, that one is the one I stayed every month. It's something like that concept. But the one that I
Okay, sorry for that. Technical difficulties. Okay, so just now the video cut out dekat tapi tak, because I was talking about yang documentary tu semua tak tunjuk pasal PCC.
Of course lah, mana takkan nak tunjuk.
Okay. So if you want to hear after that, head on to our Spotify.
Yeah.
The first one. Only the video got cut out stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. So apa lagi nak tanya tadi?
You literally about something.
Well, the overall pasal tadi.
PCC dah habis. Camera dah habis.
Oh, I think Syarfa was asking pasal when you were doing, then yang lain semua just minding their own business kan?
so tapi ada yang kacau.
Oh, really ah?
Tapi diorang sendiri buat tu.
Yalah, so
Tapi
kita take turn kacau each other lah.
Tapi kalau kacau macam nak continue? But
Get in the mood lah.
oh,
Photo stage
Yes. But that's why I don't like to be so long in the toilet. So the ways to turn us on is like mine what.
main lah.
But other than mine, we got books.
Okay.
So-
Did you keep that kind of book?
A few got passed lah, but
Ni
not.
semua boleh ceritakan kan? Ni semua boleh ceritakan kan?
Yeah, can you talk about it?
Yeah.
Oh, boleh, okay. Mana tahu?
Yeah, so the books like ada yang extreme tak lepas. Ada yang lepas.
Okay.
The funniest one I read was this Malay book. It was a Malay book. It's called Okasha.
What?
I think those were like
Novel?
no, yeah, novel.
Oh.
Freaking funny still.
Salah.
I mean, it can turn you on, but the way they explain it, aku memasukkan batang. Sometimes when I'm trying to turn myself on, I really don't know.
Tak lari turn on.
This is funny one, like very funny.
Oh, see.
That book was very. It's well known inside lah.
Oh, is it?
The place
So at least saya dapat buku tu.
No, I think like we
Share no.
roll the book lah.
Ni buku
It's
buat
library lah.
Foto macam buku.
Oh yeah.
nak sampai semua.
Fikir balik Allah mana foto susah.
Oh, sure. Yeah, so I usually just use the book to read. Then
Okay, in the morning.
get it
Yeah.
done quickly lah. But sometimes orang ada lah, apa mesti dalam toilet tu. Sometimes I forget already.
Baca buku tu dalam
Yeah,
toilet.
whatever lah. They do their business is like so damn long.
Tapi kalau orang tengah buat tu sekali tak tepi lah.
Macam mana? Kencing ke?
Usually we plan out lah. The itinerary for the day we plan out.
So sebelum dia masuk dalam tu buat business, cakap, sampai nak ke toilet tak? Nak berak, kencing dulu.
Yeah, that kind of thing lah. Just then we will, aku nak sudah main toilet. Just a quick one lah.
Ada dah ni.
Macam apa? Memang gitu.
I mean, this is nature apa.
Bukan survival mode tau.
It's really survival mode lah.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
So sometimes we keep track lah. We catch up the days, the times that you went, the times we go. Then I'm saying, kau baru pergi mana?
Boleh remind dia tiba kau baru pergi.
Tapi maksudnya you cannot tell what. He sneezes, you never know when what.
But still like, if you are in a alone cell, you know, the room anywhere. So I got a story for that later.
Okay.
Yeah, but you just like when you inside like paisi kan nak pergi di sana. That's why they do it when we alone. Nobody business. So funny story.
Yeah.
So inside the cell, how we communicate with the officers is through this button called the intercom.
Yeah.
So you press it lah, or they will like on the thing then will talk. So there was one time I was in the alone cell. So I was like,
Untuk apa?
Oh. Jadi Mike dia body squad.
Okay. Jauh kira tau mic dia.
saya sampai dengar saya.
That's fine. Okay. Hi. Hello. Okay. Second technical difficulties.
Nice.
Okay. Where do we start just now? Tinggal tak?
Something you want to cut. Whatever you want to share after that. What happened in the cell? Or what? How is it?
Oh yeah, just now I wanted to ask how's the food there?
Hospital food better or?
Hospital food is much more variety lah. Kat sana quite better.
Tapi yang masak set sih. Set kan?
I don't know sih. I think it's prison.
Entah.
Because we have our own kitchens.
Oh.
Yeah, but the company that is yang buat masak-masak it sets.
Tak lah, I think they cook themselves because some of the inmates can kerja situ and cook, right? Yeah.
So we have laundry. No, they lah.
Oh.
They have laundry, bakery, workshop.
Oh.
Workshop, I'm not sure what they built or whatever. Then got kitchen.
What is the activities there you can do?
For us, our yard days Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Apa days?
Monday,
What yard days?
Yard.
Yeah,
Why
Oh,
we
yard,
are
okay.
yard.
Workshop.
Yard. Yeah, so it's Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Other than that, we usually lock down lah. If not lock down, we
Dia 24 hours inside lah.
yeah, usually lah. But if not, sometimes we got programs. Tuesdays, Thursdays, our program days. If not, Saturday, Sundays, our office, the officer that take care of us, or PS they allow us for movies.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just like incentives.
If you behave yourself lah.
Yeah.
If you behave yourself, I give you movie. Okay lah.
But doesn't the day feels very long?